Good Tuesday morning, everybody. I'm meteorologist Brett Luna, and some of us are seeing some showers here early this morning on our radar view. We're seeing the heaviest of the activity and most of the activity kind of basically on a diagonal line over Highway 82 and getting closer to Interstate 55. We are seeing some of this heavier rain moving into parts of Greenwood right now. So that's what we're looking at right now on radar. Areas back closer to the river, not really seeing any rainfall going on right now. As we go throughout the rest of the day, though, that rain chance will remain in the forecast. Temperatures right here in Greenville, we're right at 74. Winds coming up out of the south at 6 miles an hour. Over in Greenwood, still just a couple degrees higher at 76 right now in Greenwood. Also seeing southerly winds coming in at 7 miles an hour. A little bit of a wider look. We have mid-70s in areas north of here at 75 right now for Batesville and in Clarksdale. A little bit further south, just a degree lower, 74 in Vicksburg, 74 in Jackson. Back over here west of the river, we have 71 in Pine Bluff, 74 in Monticello, Arkansas. Here's our Futurecast view, and as we go throughout the rest of the morning, Futurecast not really picking up on the activity we were just seeing here on radar in areas a little bit further east. I still think that activity will continue basically across Interstate 55 for the rest of the morning. And then as we go on into the afternoon hours, should see a little bit of a lull in our activity. Not really expecting too much rain here for the early part of the afternoon in the Delta. Most of the activity on Futurecast back areas further east. So in the eastern part of the state and areas well east of Interstate 55, that's where the majority of the activity should be staying for the beginning of the afternoon. Moving on just a little bit later in the day, by about 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock, we could see a few scattered showers, maybe a couple of thunderstorms develop here in the Delta. But I still think the majority of that activity will be holding out and also staying further east. So areas east of Interstate 55, that's where most of the rain will be staying for the early part of the afternoon and for the later part of the afternoon. But then as we go on into the early part of the evening, out ahead of this cold front, we are going to begin to see our rain chance increase a little bit. I think about more than half of us could see some of these showers and thunderstorms going on into the late evening and close to the overnight hours. But we also have this cold front moving in. That's what's going to be firing up these showers and thunderstorms, and that's also what's going to leave us with the rain chance for tomorrow. So stopping Futurecast right here at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Still looking at some of that activity moving across the Delta. That cold front should be moving through pretty quickly, though. We still could see a few showers lined up along Highway 82 for the early afternoon. But after that, we should be drying out. Nearly everybody should be staying dry for the later part of the afternoon tomorrow and on into the evening. But that rain chance will remain in the forecast for the next few days, just dropping it down a little bit. Temperatures for the rest of the day, 86 to start out the afternoon, 87 at 2 o'clock. We'll be at 87 by 4 o'clock. A little bit later on tonight, 71 for your low, mostly cloudy. Showers and thunderstorms will remain possible for tonight. Winds should be coming out of the south at 5 miles an hour. For tomorrow, that cold front will hold our high temperatures down a little bit lower than today, 82 for the high tomorrow. It's also going to shift our winds coming out of the north-northeast, 10 to 15 miles an hour. Some of those gusts could reach up to 20 miles an hour, but it's also going to keep that rain chance in the forecast. And for the next few days, about a 30% chance on Thursday and Friday. Going to keep in a 30% chance for Saturday and Sunday.